Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we'll be making these clouds. Please stay tuned for the next videos on the complete setup and let's get started. So I'll be using a 260Q to make the cloud. There'll be two 260Qs that I tied together, and I'm starting off with the 7-inch balloon and I'm just wrapping it around, and then I'm going to add the 8-inch balloon on top of that. And it's basically like building a column. You can do it more organically and just add them in. And here is the 9-inch balloon. So there's one 9-inch balloon. Then I'm going back to the 8-inch balloon. And then after this, I will be going back to the 7-inch balloon. So 7, 8, 9, and then 8, 7 again. And of course, you can make these longer if you wanted to do, because the space of the venue, I wanted to make these a little bit shorter. If the venue is bigger and you need it to be a little bit longer, you can always do like 6, 7, 8. And then 9 or larger balloons with 16 inches in the middle. So many different ways you can do it. All depends on the space that you're using. And I added the 6-inch balloons at the tips, and this is how it looks. And you can add 5-inch balloons, which I did off camera, and this is how the 5-inch balloons look on the clouds. And this is how everything turned out. Please stay tuned for the next video so you can see how I put them up. Thank you.